Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I'm in Arlington, Texas at Summit, one of the main warehouses and retail stores. Reason I'm here in Arlington, Texas is that we now live here. Those familiar with Scott's Garage know that we lived in Phoenix, Arizona for many, many years, but we've moved to Texas and I'm privileged to be here at Summit. I've always wanted to come here and now I'm here. The presenting problem though is that I'm working on my 2000 GMC Sierra 1500. The 4.8 liter, and it's the climate control unit. Doesn't matter where I position that center knob, it's constantly blowing heat. The heat is always on, and I have pinpointed that this center unit, this control unit, needs to be replaced. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what to do. We'll pull the old unit out, and we will replace it with a new unit. Okay, one of the first things you need to do is put the car. Right now it's in park. We need to move the gear shifter down, turn the key off. I have the emergency brake on so I don't roll. And what we're going to do now is move the dash, the plastic bezel that goes all the way around. And just be careful. You just have to pull up here and just start pulling a little bit. This was, I loosened it before, but it's really not that much harder to take it out. And then you just position it carefully, pull it away from the dash, and we should be able to pull it straight up and out. Okay, I've turned the key off. I put it back. Well, I put it back in park. Turn the key off, so I don't have any power now to the dash. And to take this control unit off, it's very simple. There are two pins here and here. There are no screws at all, and you simply push together. I don't know if you can see this or not, but here and here you just push together and pull on each side, and the climate control unit, it comes right out. There are two wire harnesses connected here, and likewise these are very easy. I simply push that down and pull that one out, and likewise with this one, very similar. You have to push that and then pull the blue part. I need two hands to do this. Okay, here's the core. Again, $200, and now I get to go to Summit. Notice the Mustang up there. It's a 64.5, 65 fastback. I've purchased so many parts here at Summit. It's great to be here. Okay, I'm putting the new climate control in place. I've already connected the wire harnesses on each side. Very easy, just put them in place, they click in place. Now simply to position it, you can see just lining up there and there on each side. You just push in and they click in place. And the last thing I'm going to do is put the plastic shroud on. In previous videos I redid this dash and was falling apart. Still some pieces coming off of this. But I'll put the bezel in place and this project will be wrapped up. Alright, one of the great things about replacing this climate control unit is that now I have dash lights on that unit. I have not been able to see this at night for years, and now it's very clear. Everything works great. I'm very satisfied. Again, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. I'm not a professional, just a backyard mechanic. Love working on cars though. If you like the video, please smash the like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more videos. Now that we are moved into our new home, I will be producing more Scott's Garage videos. Have a great day. Again.